Now that most of the world is quarantined, we're spending way more time on our phones, and studies show that that's bad for us, but only to a certain extent. Because today I'm going to show you how you can use your phone to your advantage and get the most out of your time in isolation. Here are some of the best apps to download in quarantine. Quickly before we get into this video, let me know down below in the comment section what your screen time is today, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell because we are so close to 30,000 subscribers. I feel like we just hit 20k yesterday, so thank you guys so much, and let's hop right into the video. Hi guys, it's Masket. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I also wanted to mention that this video is a collab with a lovely Annie Doob here on YouTube. She makes lifestyle videos and gives tips on how to grow your own YouTube channel. She is also doing a apps to download in quarantine video slash like what's on my iPhone. So after watching this video, if you want some more apps to download, then I will leave a link to her video in the description box, and also make sure to subscribe to her channel. Now with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So in quarantine, I'm sure we all want to be organized. So some of my favorite apps for organizational purposes on your phone would be Todoist. That's the first one. This one helps you stay organized because you can write to-do lists and you can set reminders for those tasks that you need to get done. You can get notified about those tasks, so the app will notify you, and they also track your goals for you. And if you don't really like writing a to-do list on a whiteboard or in a notebook, you can just have it easily on your phone and access it anytime, anywhere. So the second app you can download for organizational purposes is Trello. Basically in Trello, you have cards that you make for each topic in your life. So I can have one for school, I can have one for YouTube, outside of school, and then you add those cards to your calendar, so it helps you stay organized in a monthly kind of form thing. This is also great if you work with a team, so you guys can actually collaborate on Trello and see who's gotten what done. Gyms are closed now, and that means that we have to work out from home and our parks. Some great apps to help you keep up those fitness levels are 7, that is the first one, and 7 basically gives you 7-minute HIIT workouts, customizable to your needs. You can choose your focus, so you can choose if you want to get toned or if you just want to increase your fitness levels overall. These workouts are only 7 minutes, so you can just repeat like 3 of them. The next app is called Active. This one does cost money, but it provides its users with voice-guided workouts. So you can basically have your phone in your pocket when you're trying to work out. The voice guidance provides you with all of the instructions and how to perform that workout. When you sign into Active, they also give you an option to develop one healthy habit. So you could do either drinking more water or going for daily walks or something like that. They basically send you out notifications reminding you to do that thing and build you up to get to your goal. Because of all the time that we have now, I've seen so many people bake and cook and all of that stuff. And if you want to develop those skills, then a great app that you can use is Project Foodie. Project Foodie basically allows you to cook with a professional chef. So if you're just getting into cooking, or if you just want new meal ideas, then you can have someone to cook with. In isolation, it's also nice to have someone in front of you teaching you how to do something, because we all need that human interaction, even if it's not live.
Step 1, we're gonna cut and prep our veggies. I've got a red onion and a bell pepper.
Another cool feature that they added is a grocery list. So you can look through the menu, choose whatever meal you want to make, and then add those ingredients to your shopping list. And then when you're at the shops, you can just grab those ingredients and be ready to go to make your meal at home. If you're struggling to stay entertained in quarantine, I've got you covered. These next 4 apps will keep you occupied. So the first one is TikTok. Look, okay, just a warning, you may get addicted, but it is so fun. When you like videos on your feed, basically TikTok recommends you similar videos, so your feed will be full of videos that you like to watch, which is basically every like algorithm out there anyway. But TikTok's algorithm makes it so easy to get views, get TikTok famous, freaking try out new videos, have fun with the effects. So the next app is one that I'm sure we all use already, and it's Instagram. But on Instagram stories, there are so many fun games that you can play, like who's more likely to, the gibberish challenge. Since we're already talking about Instagram, the next app is Unum. This one helps you plan your Instagram feed, and I can spend so long on this app. At the moment, guys, my feed is lacking. I need new content, and it's really hard, obviously, because we're in quarantine. But if you want, have a nice, fun photo shoot throughout the day at your house. Once you get those photos, then upload them onto Unum and play around with their positioning in the feed. I always use Unum anyway to help me get a nice Instagram feed. By the way, if you aren't following me on Instagram already, go follow me on there. The next app is called TED. I'm sure you've all watched a TED Talk before on YouTube or have at least heard of what a TED Talk is. If you haven't, it's just basically speeches that give different perspectives and views on ideas. Yes, these are available on YouTube, but there are so many more options on the app, and you can add subtitles, and they also recommend videos for you on the app. You can choose your interests, and they give you a list of topics they think you will enjoy. So my microphone cut out in the middle of filming, so for the next 2 apps, I'm gonna record a voiceover. This next app is called Flora, and it helps you if you get distracted easily by your phone and need to study. Plant a seed with friends whenever you want to put down the phones and be present. In the next couple of minutes, the seed will gradually grow into a healthy tree. But if anyone can't resist using the phone, the tree will be killed. Use Flora when studying together or in a class or meeting room, or at any time you wish to enjoy the real life. In order to use this app, you have to log in with your Facebook account. And here's a little shout out to my friend Skylar, because she has focused for over 120 hours with this app, and that means that she's planting trees at the same time as studying. So hi Skylar, good job, love you. The next app is Google Classroom, and if your school uses this, it's really good to get because you can get notified about tasks that you have due soon and easily be able to access feedback at any time from anywhere. This app can get a little stressful because there are so many notifications about schoolwork, so I personally did delete mine, but if you want to get it, then definitely go for it. I think it's a great app. Life is so bad. If you're into singing or music like I am, there is a great app. I don't know how to pronounce it exactly, but it's called Smule or Shmule, I have no idea. It basically allows you to collaborate with other artists on the platform and do duets with karaoke backing track. This could be so fun and helps you get to know people around the world that share the same passion as you. You can also collaborate with other artists on the app to make music together. The next category is games. I don't really play a lot of games, but these ones are so fun. The first app that I'm gonna recommend you is called Song Pop, and it kind of relates to the music category a little bit, but this one's a little different, so you don't sing or anything. You verse other people around the world and you see who can guess a song first. I tried this last night and it was so much fun. You can also choose the genre and the style of the music that you want to have in the app. The next game is great if you have siblings at home or if you want to do this over a Zoom call with your friends. This app is called Heads Up, and it was created by Ellen. You can verse each other on so many different topics such as movies or geography, animals.
First word is not a dog, but a
cat.
And the second word is I'm gonna take a short sleep.
Catnap.
Yep.
Closet cleanouts have been such a popular thing to do in quarantine. If you find clothes that you don't like or don't fit you anymore, you can sell them on an app called Depop. On this app, you can buy and sell clothes. So when you sell your clothes, obviously you're gonna make money, so that's a plus, and you also get rid of those clothes so they don't take up any extra space in your wardrobe. Before I get onto the last app recommendation that I have, I also asked you guys on Instagram to send me your app recommendations for quarantine. So I'm gonna show that at the end of this video, but for now, I wanted to share with you guys this because I think it's so important. The category I want to touch base on is mindfulness and meditation. This app that I wanted to share with you guys is called Headspace. Headspace is an organization which focuses on mental well-being, mental health. It's so important to take time out of your day, even if it's 3 minutes. I don't know why I did 3 minutes when I did this. Even if it's 1 minute or 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, to just relax, be in the moment, and listen to some guided meditation. I make sure to do this at least once a day to help me keep my head clear so I can actually get tasks that I need to get done. So now here are some apps that you guys recommended for quarantine. That is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. I will also leave a link to Annie's video in the description box down below. Go check her out, subscribe to her channel. She's so lovely and makes amazing videos. Also, let me know if you guys try out any of these apps and tell me what you think of them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Clueless when you're gone.